I broke my back.
What do you mean by that? You broke
My back is broken.
what? A vertebrae or
Well,
what portion?
Spinal.
Did you know the average American spends 11 hours glued to a screen, rather on a phone or watching a TV? That is more hours than we spend sleeping. It's crazy. All of those hours hunched over, slouched over, scrolling on social media wreaks havoc on our back. No wonder why we all have back problems once we reach 30 years old. It's really not our fault. It's the changing of technology and the changing of the world. Just like you, I've been aware of this. I tried so many things. I tried a chiropractor. I tried all the posture exercises that you can try. And I never really can keep up with them long term. I always struggle with back pain, specifically in my lower back. And I just thought I had to live with it for the rest of my life. Until now, I found this piece of equipment that really helped my back and it really improved my posture. So I was like, I gotta share this with my audience. I feel like it could be really helpful if you're sitting down, you have a sedentary job, you're on your phone a lot, literally everyone, because all Americans, we're all doing the same thing. So in this video, stick around. I'm going to show you. It is super simple to use. So check it out. Let's get into the video. Now, you might think that bad posture is just a cosmetic issue, but it goes way beyond that. Think about it. When you're slumped over, your spine is compressed and you're putting unnecessary strain on your muscles and your ligaments. This is going to lead to neck pain, back pain, you might have headaches, and it's even going to lead to digestive issues and a whole other range of things. If you're an American, you're in a society, I know you felt one of these because we all go through it. But the good thing is the opposite is true. Once we start correcting your body, you're going to have reduced pain, you're going to have reduced headaches, you're actually going to have improved performance in the gym, improved confidence when you're walking into a room. Everything can improve. So there's a good and a bad. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I tried everything. I went to the chiropractor for months, tried that, didn't really feel a difference. I tried to do all these different exercises, but it's kind of time consuming and it just was hard to actually keep up. Life get busy and I'm just like, I don't really have time to keep doing that. So trying to improve your posture, trying to reduce your pain, it is definitely not an easy thing. And we just need something simple. I'm gonna speak for myself. I need something simple and effective that I can do every day, because trying to do all these different posture, back movements while I'm trying to get my regular work in, I got kids, I got family, all the other stuff I'm trying to handle. And it just is way too time consuming. Trying to go to the chiropractor, driving back and forth an hour, all that just takes too much time. I need a simple and effective solution, and this is what the video is about. So a little backstory of how I found this piece of equipment. I was just scrolling on LinkedIn. I have a lot of people on my network. If you want to connect with me there, let's connect. But I saw this piece of equipment. I'm like, now that's dope right there. I got to reach out to this guy. I got to try this thing out. Shout out to Brian. He actually created something called a posture plank. He's a chiropractor and he found a simple and effective way that you can start improving your back pain. And it's a small piece of equipment that you can do at home, you can do at the gym. And I'm going to show you a couple movements that you can use with it right now. Here's a video of me using the posture plank at the gym. There's 3 major movements that you want to use. You want to use it behind your head with your arms up, and then you want to slowly twist your spine back and forth. This is going to help improve the muscles and improve the mobility in your back. This is really easy to use. You can do it at home too. I'm just doing it at the gym for the purpose of the video. Also, you're going to put it in the middle of your back, and this is going to help open up your chest and your spine. Third one, you want to put it right behind your butt on your lumbar spine and give it a slight stretch, and then you're going to hold that for like 20 to 30 seconds. I usually repeat these exercises about 3 times each, and it literally takes me about maybe less than 10 minutes to do all this in one day. In addition to this, he also has straps that you can put on here, so you can actually do different exercises, you can do different stretches. So if you want to add more, you can, but I usually stick with the minimum exercises and actually do those. It's crazy because I've been training for all these years and I didn't really realize that if I improve my posture, it's actually going to improve my performance in the gym. I noticed when I was doing lunges, I'm always leaning over and I'm kind of falling over. But since I've been using the posture plank, I feel like everything has been more aligned and it's actually been easier, and I've been able to lift heavier weights when I'm doing this. So it's just one of the things that I've seen personally when I'm improving my posture. Honestly, I made this video because I feel like so many people can actually use this. I'm actually implementing this into my program and having my clients actually use this throughout the week so we can improve their posture. That helps them improve their quality of life. So I know so many people can actually use this equipment. So I reached out to Brian and he gave me a discount code. I'll put that in the description. So check it out. It's not that expensive. And I think it's something that you can use long term. I use it every day and I'm feeling the effects of it. So I just wanted to share with my audience. So if it is helpful for you, comment helpful and I'll put everything in the description. You can check it out. Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to share an easy and effective way to help you improve your posture. So hopefully this was helpful and valuable. Make sure you go check out that posture plank. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.